Just going with it, man. So we are
doing too much.
What he said, we're doing a lot. We're doing some things. We're making some changes. Making some moves. Big Blue, as you guys don't know, she's going to another home. What's up, my guy? Chilling, chilling.
You doing everything good?
Yes, sir. You good?
Chilling, bro.
Yes, sir. This is my baby brother. She needs a wash. I was gonna wash today.
Yeah, I just gotta change the freaking tires.
Yeah. These are brand new.
Yeah.
Shinko 241s. Really, all it needs is a graphics refresh. Yeah. What we got right here. 06. Chain. It's not bad though.
Loaded, of course. I'll put it to the wash like I told you.
You take it out to the trail?
Here and there.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Not really motocross, because I'm just trying to get on it now. But I mean, there's I live in Cape.
Yeah.
They call Yucatan down there. Yeah, it's just basically trail riding. Right? There's no bumps or nothing like that. Just more so.
How's the carburetor?
I mean, it's pretty good, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, the guy that I bought it for, he was had it like he kept it on what's his name, the garage. Barely used it. Like, bro, I just need money. Bought it. Now I'm just trying to get something like newer. So like, you know what? Why not? Choose some offers. I just actually posted. I don't know if you've seen it.
Where the brakes at? Where the brakes at? Huh? You don't got rear brakes?
Chain on it, big chain.
I'm trying to figure out why is the Kickstarter stick? When you kick it down, why does it stick?
That's the way it's always been from the bottom.
You got it built? You ever checked on it?
No. You have the clutch in?
I don't think it's supposed to have a clutch in on these. That's some Suzuki shit. Ew, that was weird. I don't know. Chat, should I buy this? Or not buy it, should I trade? I might just go for the Bow Wow.
I'm up 250.
1250?
Yeah, 250. 1250.
Yeah, 1250, yeah.
I don't know, bro.
This is a hell of a trade-up.
I don't want to waste your time, bro, but I don't want to, you know,
Yeah.
fuck myself, dog. That's it. This shit's literally, this shit's ready to go, dog. Just need some brake work, kickstart work. I don't know. My fault. Like I said, I'm not trying to waste your time or nothing, bro. I'm just not trying to get fucked over. I don't know, bro. I don't want another project, nigga. I don't need another project.
Settings are up the seller now.
Oh. Another one. DJ Khaled.
The next morning.
Well. We have a big change here. We have a 2006 CRF250R. We traded Big Blue for it with some cash on top, of course. I had to do what I had to do. Very reasonable offer. No leaks, no lack, no nothing. This bitch is ready to go. So, I was planning on doing a build for it for the channel, but I don't have that much traction yet. Not just a build, but a build with a raffle. Think about raffling this off. What would you guys think about that? Huh? Real nice. Yeah. Do I miss Big Blue? Of course. FNF power core exhaust. Loud as fuck. bitch. I don't know. I might keep this bitch. Honestly, I literally have everything I need. As it comes, is as quick as it goes. We're about to flip Big Red already. Not even 24 hours later. That's great. Let's get her started. Let's go, my brother. 8 years? Yeah. Big twin. What's good with you?
Just chilling. I'm about to help one of my homeboys out.
You live over here?
Nah, he just moved out over here with his girl. So,
Yeah?
yeah.
I'm about to go sell this bitch.
Hey,
Nice to meet you, brother Trey. This is her. You gonna take her for a rip real quick. Got everything in the bag. No, you're all good, bro. Do your thing. Yeah. Not the 250. Yeah. No, it's 250. She rips, bro. She rips. Yeah. Yeah, I've been riding for a minute. I'm on the streets more than the trail and track though. Yeah, I got a DRZ right now. I had a few 600s, but it was time to slow down. It's just getting too crazy. Yeah. You want a bike? Get a 400. Yeah. Huh? I don't know. I was looking at that this morning when I was detailing it. I'm thinking it's going to this.
there's like a harness
This
up here.
sensor right here. The coil pack maybe? Because I was looking at that too. I was like, what the fuck is this? Unless it comes off over here, but I really don't know. It's coming out of this plug right here. I wouldn't be able
That's
to.
a coil pack?
Yeah, this is the coil pack, but I don't know where this cable is going because it doesn't look like it's going into the pack unless they opened it.
I saw you do wheelies and shit on
Yeah,
YouTube.
yeah. That's my shit.
You can't do 19.5 and a ride home? And I did drive 3 hours.
No, I got you, bro. I'll do 19.5. Way better. Less strain, dog.
Yeah, get the front tire over here.
You got straps or no?
Yeah, I guess.
Got it.
Oh, it's dog shit.
Was it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's tough. Not the poo-poo. I don't know what that is. It looks like food. You wanna sniff it? Yes, sir.
take it easy.
Yes, sir.
Drive
Drive safe, brother. Big Red. He's out of here. It's not like there's no sentimental value or nothing, but you know. Yeah. Big Red is now gone. We are lit in this bit. She's out. Yeah. Hi, Big Red. That's crazy.